Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today you're about to witness something that doesn't just push boundaries, it completely redefines them. Imagine stepping into a truck that isn't just a truck, but a 5-star luxury suite on wheels. The 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome is not only a beast on the road, it's a rolling palace that turns every journey into pure first-class living. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted with a futuristic interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Polished wood accents, ambient LED lighting, and soft leather seating wrap you in elegance. The living space opens up with a smart, expandable slide-out system, giving you the feeling of a wide, spacious lounge that can rival high-end apartments. The living room is designed with comfort and style in mind, featuring a massive flat-screen entertainment system, a state-of-the-art sound setup, and panoramic windows that let natural light flood the cabin, making it feel open and airy. Now let's talk about the kitchen, because in this motorhome, cooking isn't just functional, it's luxurious. You'll find a full-sized refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a smart coffee station, all integrated seamlessly into a modern high-gloss kitchen design. It's like having a chef's paradise on the road, perfect for making gourmet meals wherever your journey takes you. Move further in, and the bathroom is another level of sophistication. Think marble-inspired walls, a rainfall shower, high-end fixtures, and a vanity setup that feels like it belongs in a 5-star hotel. It's comfort and elegance all tucked neatly inside a motorhome. The bedroom is where first class truly comes alive. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, ambient lighting for a relaxing mood, and integrated smart controls for climate, lighting, and entertainment, all at your fingertips. Imagine pulling over at a scenic spot, shutting the world out and sinking into pure comfort. But the Kenworth T680 Motorhome isn't just about luxury, it's about power and technology too. Underneath, you've got Kenworth's legendary performance paired with next-generation safety and driver assist tech. This isn't just traveling, it's commanding the road with confidence and style. This machine isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle, a statement and a glimpse into the future of road luxury. The 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome proves that the open road can be as glamorous as the world's most exclusive resorts. So buckle up, because with this motorhome, you're not just driving, you're living first class.